Hey guys, welcome to the Divine channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning up the Civic.
Cool vibration.
This is the Civic. The dirty D-Series Civic. $19.99 Honda Civic. 330 something Ks and still running. Oh yeah. Look at this smoke. Well yeah, it's running and it works. We didn't record before, but we have we changed the coolant. Oh, there's lots of rubbish in there. Drained it, drained the reservoir, put new coolant in, and the usual oil and oil filter change. Oh, it's just in the oil, it's disgusting. But we just did that quickly a couple of days ago. Didn't really record it, but here it is. Here's the Civic. It's running, and I'm going to be cleaning it up today. So let me just give you a quick little look. It's auto, and the auto is on its way out, to be honest. Well, not really, but it's rough. It's definitely rough. This was the cheapest Honda Civic we could buy as well. So you can probably see there's a lot of rubbish everywhere. The back window doesn't go down. I just found that out. This window doesn't go down. That's our stuff that I just put in. Yeah, it's pretty messy. And the boot. Yeah, I don't know what all this is. I'm gonna have to clean all this out. That looks disgusting. All of this. But yes, this is Civic's current state, and I want to clean everything because everything is sticky and disgusting. I've got the vacuum out here, got my cleaning tools over there. Ooh, let's do it. I actually degreased the engine bay already when we did the coolant flush. It was hideous. Like, it already looks hideous, but it was much worse before. Alright, let's grab the vacuum and get on with it. After I vacuum, I've got M20 spray disinfectant because it smells absolutely disgusting, and I've also got a carpet fresh because it's just bad. It's really bad. It stinks like crap. Like, I haven't even done 10% of the rubbish here, and it's already like, it's clean, but there's so much shit under the seat. There's like popcorn shit. This is disgusting. What the hell is that? But yeah, I'm gonna do it now because I can't survive with this smell. Oh my god. What the fuck? That's disgusting. Oh. Yuck. Alright, this is our stuff. This is my stuff. Don't worry. Surface done. I'm going to attack the back now. Then I'm going to come back inside and move some of these parts and yeah, vacuum underneath there. Woo. Welcome, welcome Osama.
Bonjour, how's it going?
Bonjour, pretty good. Yeah, the bike. Yeah, the bike.
That's it. It's a mad bike. With 100 problems on it, but has fun. Yeah, fun.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, I wanted to come to your house with the bike, and yeah, that's just don't get more people. Even though if I get full them up, like a 50% chance of working. I'll probably like a 20% chance. I gotta figure out a proper thing.
Don't dob him in, guys.
That's the job.
Update. I took everything out and there was a pool of coolant and other fluids that I don't know what the name of them are, but yeah. And I just used the old mat and cleaned it, wiped it, and put carpet cleaner and sprayed a whole lot of Ben 20 in there. This was all the stuff that was in the back.
Oops.
And this tire that's not even from this model car as a spare tire. And yeah, that was in there too. But yes, I'm just gonna put like a blanket or something, and that's it. We're not gonna touch the back anymore because that's disgusting. I'm not even gonna vacuum. It's not worth it. Piece of shit.
You want 10 cents?
Where? Is it actually 10 cents there? Oh my god. Wow.
So we got the car for $799 and 90 cents.
90 cents? Bro.
A few moments later.
Yes, sir. It already died. Yes, sir, in my own driveway.
Ay, ay, ay.